Good morning, Internet. It is day 6, and gonna be a fun day. Today we move apartments, and hi, kitty cat. Sorry. And we're going to spend the hot part of the day like packing, and then we're gonna move over during the cool part of the day, and then I will shoot some before and after videos, just kind of walk through it, and then hopefully in a day or two I got some stuff coming in from Temu and Shopee, like getting a rain shower head because I'm a spoiled Westerner, and we're gonna get some LED lights so that we can like make the room modern and she can have whatever colors and my little girl can have whatever colors she wants. We bought some room dividers so that they can both have some more privacy and build their own spaces, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to getting it done. So, apart from that, we had Sisig Pizza last night, which is like, imagine a mashup of hamburger pizza, but with like eggs and pineapple, which is, I know, I've already like caused half of you to go, but it's fantastic. It's like a breakfast pizza, but awesome, I guess. And I think tonight I'm going to be eating some chicken wings from the store just below my new apartment, so I'm kind of excited about that. And ideally, I will tack on whatever I end up eating here on the end of this video. Might be a little bit of moving video, I don't know, we'll find out, but definitely a before and after, and yeah, stay tuned for that. See you on the other side. Oh, and just like right on time, I air fried some pork sisig pizza from last night. Notice the egg, right? And then it's got various little crumblies of bacon and, well, it's pork, so if you air fry it, it turns into bacon and peppers and that kind of thing. And I'm about to destroy that and then go move houses. There you go. And we're just gonna walk to the back porch. Hold it up, hold it up. Okay, walk to the back porch. Right, and then come back around. All right, come back around, go in the bathroom. There you go. All right. Well, I didn't end up having chicken wings, but my little girl had that, and then I had chicken insal and a mango shake, and it was fantastic. We also went past the lovely church in town, which you'll see here. It's interesting because they keep the facade in a kind of, you know, important but neglected ruin. I think it's like a look, and then the inside is gorgeous. I might be able to walk through it here in a little bit, but I wanted to show you ahead of time. If you liked all that, like and subscribe. Bye.